Hey guys, do y'all know how great packing cubes are? Because I didn't until just recently. I just thought I would roll up my clothes very tightly into my luggage and put just certain things in certain areas and I was just fine. Well, I went ahead and bought the packing cubes one day thinking, I'm gonna try this out. Everybody says it's so great. Well, it is. And I love these packing cubes here. As you can see, this is one of the larger size. They have a handle here at the top, zips all the way around. You can see through this mesh what's in there. So this is the larger size. And then you have, here's the smaller size ones that comes in the pack here. So it's just a little bit smaller. So you can see something like this with a handle at the top. And then along with that, this one is even a little bit smaller. So, so far this is 3 size packing cubes. This is one that I used for socks and underwear and things like that. I put it into here. I couldn't believe how much I was able to fit into here. And then when it comes to shirts and jeans, I probably put like 3 pairs of jeans and 6 t-shirts. And I just put them all around the edge tight, zipped it up. I couldn't believe how much I fit in my bag. So here's the small one. And then you get these 2 that you could use for dirty laundry if you would like that, or whatever else you would like, shoes, whatever. This is like a shoe one here, zips up the front, and I fit 3 pairs of shoes in this one thing. So I was really happy with these packing cubes right here. Plenty comes in it to where you have plenty of cubes to use for your clothing. And like I said, with these 2 here, I am now a fan. I love these packing cubes. I bought another set in a different color for my husband to use. I'll use all of these and I can fit more into my luggage. And sometimes even if I don't want to fit more into it, I feel more organized. When we get to the hotel or condo, wherever we're staying at, I just take these out and put it into the dresser drawer, and I keep everything in those packing cubes and just use it as needed. So it kept those drawers organized too. I knew exactly where everything was at. And I just think this is just magnificent. I love this. Packing cubes are my new favorite thing for travel essentials. And this is the one that I have, so this is the one that I recommend for you.